Still thinking about the hippocampus? Same. So let's keep the memory vibe going, but today, let's take it Bollywood style. Because no one forgets like Ghajini. Imagine waking up every day with no memory of what just happened. You know who you are, but not what you did an hour ago. That's exactly what happens to Sanjay Singhania in Ghajini, a man living in a world that resets every few minutes. And if you've seen my earlier videos on the hippocampus and declarative memory, you might already guess what's going on here. In medicine, this condition is known as Anterograde amnesia, the inability to form new long-term memories following a brain injury. You can remember everything before the trauma, but nothing after it sticks. Your brain records the moment, but the save button doesn't work. To understand this, let's revisit the hippocampus. We met it 2 episodes ago as the brain's memory maker. This seahorse-shaped structure inside your temporal lobes acts like a librarian, taking new experiences and filing them into long-term storage. When it's damaged, your brain can still see, feel, and think, but it can't convert short-term experiences into lasting memories. That's exactly what we see in Ghajini. If this sounds familiar, it's because we discussed Patient H.M. in our episode on the hippocampus. His surgery removed parts of both hippocampi, and just like Sanjay, he could no longer form new long-term memories. Even with a damaged hippocampus, other parts of memory survive, as we explored in our video on declarative versus non-declarative memory. Short-term memory still works for a few seconds, thanks to the prefrontal cortex. Procedural memory skills like driving or fighting are stored in the basal ganglia and cerebellum, not the hippocampus. That's why Sanjay can still fight, drive, and write, even though he can't remember doing them. Here's something powerful. Even when factual memory fails, emotional memory often survives. The amygdala, our emotion center, works with the hippocampus but can also function on its own. So Sanjay might forget the event, but still feel anger, fear, or love. Emotions have their own kind of memory. To survive, Sanjay builds his own version of memory. He tattoos names and facts onto his body, takes Polaroid photos, and scribbles notes everywhere, each one a reminder of what his brain can't hold on to. And interestingly, real patients with amnesia do something very similar. They use diaries, alarms, photos, and recordings to create what we might call an external hippocampus, a memory system outside the brain that helps them stay connected to their own story. Of course, Ghajini takes some creative liberties. In reality, people with severe anterograde amnesia wouldn't be able to plan complex revenge missions. Their memories fade too quickly for that. But what the movie captures beautifully is the feeling of confusion and repetition, that constant reboot of awareness, where every moment feels like the first time. Key takeaway.